What's up, you guys? We got a beautiful sunset, even though we can't really see it because it's behind the building. But today we got the C63 back up on the jacks because we don't have a hoist yet. But we are going to replace the oxygen sensor. Boom, it's right there. Hooray, hooray. Hey, watch your language. We're going to replace the oxygen sensor number 2, bank 2. We got our trusty 8mm, bam bam, and we got the wrench. Let's get this sensor replaced. What's up, you guys? So we're underneath the C63. We got the sensor right over here. You can kind of see it. There it is, boom. And inside there, we got the connector. It looks like it's corroded. That's the old sensor. I hope it's not just corrosion and I need to replace the wiring. But inside there, we're gonna have to clean it up a little bit. Hopefully this is not a problem in the future, because that might be a problem. Well, I guess we'll figure it out right now. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, guys, so there's the sensor. You just grab it. So you can clearly see that it's like black. It's finished for sure, but on that side, you can clearly see some corrosion over there. So that's definitely not good. Oh, let's focus. Yeah, there we can see it right there. So problem is that the other end of the connector looks like it's corroded. Gonna have to clean that somehow. We probably can't even see. So we got our little brush. Hopefully we can clean out the connector as best as possible, and kind of we'll go from there. We'll see. Hopefully this fixes the problem. I'm really praying, because I really don't want to have corrosion on wires problem. That will be an absolute nightmare. Okay, let's figure this out. Alrighty then, guys, we got the new oxygen sensor in, and I'm pretty hopeful that connector is now good. I cleaned it up with the brush. Oh boy. Let's connect it, tighten this up, start the car. Well, actually clear the code, start the car, and go for a drive. Hopefully it's gonna be all good. Oh boy, this is tough doing it by myself. Hopefully it's good now. Let's see. Let's find out. Whoa, almost dropped the phone. Anyways, we got the sensor back in. You guys can't probably see it, but it's in there. Let's jump out of here. Whee! Let's get out of here. Hopefully it's good. I really hope that corrosion is fine. Oh, what a beautiful sunset it is. We got the C63. We're gonna just do the scan quickly, clear all the codes, go for a drive, make sure it's all good. Oh, it's getting colder, but it's gonna be warm for the next week or two, so we get to drive the car and enjoy it at least for the last little bit. Yeah, let's see. Hopefully it's gonna be good now. That's it. We got the O2 sensor replaced. All good. Tightened it, connected it, cleaned up all the corrosion. Hopefully it's gonna be good. Let's make sure that it's Gucci. Be right back, guys. So yeah, while the scanner is connecting, guys, we got 2 more things that we have to check. Probably tomorrow or next couple days. We gotta check some noise coming from the rear differential. Most likely it's a bushing or something, or some sort of rubber connection. I don't know. Every time I'm driving, I hear like a little dunk. It's very weird when accelerating from like nothing, or like engaging the throttle. It's very weird, but it's coming from the back of the car. I don't know. We gotta figure that out. And then we gotta do the valve cover gaskets and everything. So that's the next step. We're gonna get that done, and then that's it. And then once we pretty much get those 2 things done, we're gonna start preparing for the winter season. Get the winter wheels on, clean these ones up, put them away into storage. Oh boy, it's been crazy. It's really been crazy. This literally feels right now like a nice relaxing moment. It's kind of strange. I don't know. Like, I've been so busy and so stressed about so many different things and just trying to rush and get everything done, and now it finally feels like kind of relaxed. It's almost like being one with your car. Like when your car is misfiring and not running properly, you feel kind of the same way. It's very weird. So hopefully this solves the problem and we don't have any more sensors to replace after that. Okay, let's get this done. Okay, guys, that's it. We cleared all the codes. Hopefully we are good. Let's start up the car. Boom, boom, boom. All right, started up nice. No codes. Okay, let's drive it. Hopefully it's good. I think we'll be fine. We'll just monitor just for while driving, and hopefully it's gonna be all right. Okay, let's make sure that it's good. I think we should be fine now. Okay then guys, we are just driving home and we did a scan. Looks like we are good. Just that infamous 2317 code with the possible wiring problem that's left. So that's it. Looks like we are good. We're gonna drive it and see if that comes back on for the oxygen sensor, but I think we are good now. Bum bada bum bum. Pops and bangs. All sounds good finally. And we're gonna come to this red light. Oh, it was a crazy week, guys. Okay, that's it. We're gonna pretty much turn this off. Oh, what can I say? Nice day. No engine light. Car feels fine. Hopefully it's good. Let's fix up the last little bit of stuff. Replace the... Oh, true. We got to replace the battery also, because once it gets cold, I really don't want to be messing with the booster pack every single day. So yeah, let's prep the car for winter. And yeah, and then pray we survive. All right, guys, with that being said, I hope you all enjoy this quick little video. I'll see you all tomorrow with a new video. Peace.